Hello everyone, welcome to 7th tutorial of ArcGIS Pro. In this tutorial, you will learn how to import XY coordinate data from Excel into ArcGIS Pro and plot it on a map. This helps visualize and analyze point data, for example, survey points, sampling locations, or GPS coordinates. It also helps integrate Excel data with other spatial layers, making it easier to understand spatial patterns and relationships. This process supports basic spatial analysis and helps create clear maps for reports, presentations, and decision making. So let's get started to this tutorial. You can see over here our Excel file. First, open Excel, and in this Excel file, I have 70 monitoring point for air quality data. You can see over here the 70 locations and location name and the latitude and longitude of my air quality monitoring locations, the id, locations name, latitude and longitude. Before exporting into ArcGIS Pro, we have to convert this Excel file into CSV format. So for that, go to file and then save and browse, and you will find this save as type. So here, just select CSV. Yes, this option CSV comma delimited, and then save. So our Excel file has been saved in CSV format. You can see over here this one. And then open ArcGIS Pro. So first we have to set coordinate system. So for that, go to properties and then go to coordinate systems. Here you can see WGS 9084 web marketer, which is by default. So we have to change this. So expand geographic coordinate system, and under geographic coordinate system select world, expand this and select WGS 9084 and then apply and OK. And then go to map. Now we will add our Excel file, add data, and from add data, points from table, click here XY table to point, and here you will find this panel XY table to point, and in input table just click here and add the CSV file. So select and click OK. Yeah, CSV file has been added here. You can see over here output feature class, then X field and Y field, I mean longitude and latitude as per the Excel. If we open our CSV file, then you can see here the latitude and longitude of my SAM monitoring points. So Z field, it will remain blank, and coordinate system WGS 984, and then click run. You can see our XY data has been added into the map, the latitude and longitude, I mean the sampling, the monitoring points. You can change the color of the symbol. So you can choose any color, any icon from here as per your preference. You can also check the level, the locations. If you want to export the data, then just right click and then go to data and then export features. And the output feature class, I'm going to name it as air quality shape, and then click OK. OK, so it has been exported. And if I delete from here, you can delete from here, you can delete from here, and you can add from your folder. So I can just add from here, from my folder. I'm again changing the symbol, change the symbol size. And if you want to check the level, then you can first you can check the attribute table. You can see here location ID or location name. So from properties, go to display and display field. I want to show location ID, so I have selected this one and right click and click on level, and you can see here my monitoring locations ID. And you can also add base map here. Just click here and you can see over here base map has been added. And if you want to change the font color, then go to leveling properties, and under this go to symbol, and you can change the color and many things from here. I want to change the color black to white, and you can also change the size, I mean the font size, and click apply. You can see over here it has been changed. Thank you for watching. I hope you are now able to do this perfectly. If you like our efforts, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.